Looking for the fuse box in your Dodge Grand Caravan 2011 to 2019? I'll guide you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can spot the right fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2011 and 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan, the engine compartment fuse box, also known as the Totally Integrated Power Module, TIPM, is located next to the battery. It controls and protects circuits for the engine management, ignition, fuel system, and transmission modules. The box also safeguards systems like ABS, cooling fans, headlights, and power accessories. This ensures dependable power distribution for both critical performance functions and essential safety features. In the 2013 to 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, the engine compartment fuse box, called the Totally Integrated Power Module, TIPM, is mounted beside the battery. It manages and protects circuits for the engine control, ignition, fuel delivery, and transmission systems. The fuse box also covers essential features like ABS, radiator fans, headlights, and power outlets. This setup ensures reliable operation of both vital engine functions and key safety and convenience systems. In the 2017 to 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan, the engine compartment fuse box, known as the Totally Integrated Power Module, TIPM, is located next to the battery. It safeguards circuits for the engine control, ignition, fuel system, and transmission functions. The box also protects systems such as ABS, cooling fans, headlights, and power accessories. This design ensures stable power distribution for essential performance, safety, and convenience features. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.